Safety plus. Look at this seating position.
This video is sponsored by Abodey, a service that's tailored to help you purchase your next home. Many people think that buying a home is simple, but I can tell you from first-hand experience, it isn't. Did you know on average that people spend 44 hours endlessly scrolling online trying to find the right home? You'll then also end up showing up to properties in person on average 11 times. For people who are time poor or just can't be bothered with all that comes with the purchase process, Abodey is there with you from day one to link you up with their partnered mortgage brokers, conveyancers, inspectors, and the advice you'll need all the way through to settlement. Abodey can save buyers on average $30,000, provide 24/7 support through their AI technology, and best of all, find you the right home for you based on your specific needs. Abodey goes way beyond the basic filters that you'll often find on other real estate websites. Typically, a buyer's agent service can cost upwards of $10,000, but Abodey offers their service at a fraction of that cost with their highest tier package at only $300. If you're looking to buy a home in Australia, head over to the Abodey website at abodey.com.au and begin the journey towards your perfect home. And for those interested, Abodey is also looking for investors who want to be part of a great and growing business. Head over to swarmer.com to find out more. All links to these are below. Now let's get into the video. Alright, welcome to the channel. Last big job we've got. Roof. We're going to spend a little bit of time today pressure washing it, pulling all the glass out and all the seals and having a good look at it. We haven't had a good look at the roof properly. We know it's in reasonable condition and we know we've got a few things to fix, but yeah, we're not looking forward to it, but we're nearly at the finish line. Let's see how we go. Thought we'd test fit the roof just to make sure that everything lined up after all the work we've done, and most of the holes look like they're where they need to be. So yeah, great success. So obviously you just saw we've done a bit of a mix of wire wheeling and sanding. Looks like we don't need to wire wheel as much except for in the gunnels to clean all the crap out. But this old paint, whatever it is, looks like bloody... It does look like house paint. I mean, have a look at that. That is just disgusting. But it is sanding up quite nicely. That's been hit with the wire wheel, but it's probably too aggressive. We can actually sand it back pretty nicely just with 180 grit. So that's probably what we'll do. Next order of business is we're going to take this back off and pull it apart and basically get it ready for paint. Fun times.
So we repainted the bonnet too.
Oh yeah, we
Wasn't happy with it.
that was earlier today. We redid it with a nice gloss finish, and as you can see, she's sparkling. Much better job. All right, let's pull this roof apart. Roof's pulled apart. Not a big job. Took us a couple of hours. I mean, we were taking our time and we were mucking around with sanding and stuff. But yeah, they're pretty simple bits of kit. So now we just got to do a whole bunch of sanding and prep and get some primer on these things and paint them up. Bit of work ahead. Alright, roof's on hold for a second because we've had a bit of a fun delivery. The rear seats. So let's see what we got.
The instructions.
Oh, luxury seats. I've seen fancier seats in a church. Oh well,
Torture chambers.
give us 10 minutes and we'll figure out how these go together. Whacking these brackets in first. It all seems pretty simple. You even get instructions. Who would have thunk it? Oh, we're not in yet. Let's see how we go. Well, we've installed the seats. It's so much room. Oh, very luxurious.
Safety plus. Look at this seating position.
It actually went in really well. I don't know if we can see it. Anyway, I'll jump my fat ass out of here and I'll show you what we've done. Alright. All done. I'll tell you what, it'd want to be a short trip. They do look. They do look cool.
You could put a brewski here if you
Oh,
want to.
yeah. And we've got these straps on now.
Plenty of luggage room once you get 4 stalls in the back of this.
They fold up.
You've got plenty of room for luggage still. It's comfortable. It'd be safe as anything with all these jagged edges. They'd be fine in an accident. That won't be a problem. You can put the esky in the middle. Easy access for everyone. Yeah, be good fun.
This was super easy. I reckon it's taken us, what, 30 minutes and we were effing about.
That one took 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's not hard. No tricks, just drill a couple of holes.
I think it neatens up the back. And for that odd time you do want to take more people out just for a joyride, you can.
That's it. It's not like we're hauling building materials in here. Alright, you gonna try the driver's side?
For one person it'd be alright.
Yeah.
2?
Yeah.
That should be fucking terrible.
Yeah, that's it. What do you reckon, chickens? Yeah, they don't care. Alright, let's get back to this roof. You know what we love. We love sanding. It's great. It's so much fun. But we're getting there. Adolfo spent a long time last night pulling rubber out of there. It was all degraded and crappy.
There's the pile.
That still needs another going over. Yeah. Where's a pile of rubber? Yeah.
1 fucking inch at a time.
Just awesome fun. But the top of the roof's looking fantastic and the sides are getting there. So this house painted crap is what we start with. And we're getting it looking pretty good. sandblasting as well. With China's finest sandblaster. Oh yeah.
$30, mate. Spent up big on this one.
Oh yeah. Just a few little blemishes. Bit of a sand. Bit of a clean. And then we'll whack some primer on.
day after the day after of the painting, and we're really happy with the results. So now it is time to whack this roof in.
Time for Adolfo to cut a few rubbish short and fucking swear more than he usually does.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time cleaning out these channels yesterday to make sure that these rubbers fit, because you can see it's got that little lip under it. So hopefully it all goes nicely. Our plan is, and we don't know if it's the right way to do this, is we're going to put the two sides on first, and then we're going to present the roof up to the sides. Don't know if that's the right way to do it or not.
I don't want to scratch the bottom.
But hey, this is what we're going to do. We've still got. I made these up today, which is a special doovers because they were just piles of rust. We've got the door tops in, and we've yet to align the windscreen. That's just got to be moved forward a little bit to get that gap right. Same on the other side. But rubber's in, presented up, sort of loose but tight but loose. And let's see how we go. Alright, got the two sides bolted in. Got the rubbers installed for the top, which will 100% leak. But hey, it's a thought that counts. Got all our original bracketry in place, which is a nice little touch. It's nice to save what we can, where we can. And I think we are gonna whack this on. Oh no, we've got to muck around with the windscreen first, but then we're gonna whack this on. All right, roof's on. So, and that went really well as well. That is the right way to do it, by the way, if you're doing it yourself. Sides on, then the roof. There's no other way to do it.
Seems to have kept everything squarer.
So, unless there's some weird stuff that we come across, this will be the last video we do until the final reveal, basically. It's just going to be whacking the windows in, rubbers around the doors, glass, etc, etc. We've given ourselves a sort of a deadline of the 25th of this month, Anzac Day, for no particular reason, that just to spur us on. So yeah, really looking forward to calling this project done. Anyway, thanks very much, and we'll catch you next time.